Members only here at Gaming Content Channel. At iRasheza here doing a Renetti review video. Before and after with nothing on it, different attachments, and then finally the MK3 burst mod. There is no akimbo in this video. I'm going to do a second video with the akimbos very soon. I'm going to jump right into the video. Let's go! Vamonos!
That's the only reason I ain't put you under. That double G and make a nigga drop. Looking big Kiki till a nigga hot. Keep some niggas and bitches locked. And that's how a couple of my niggas die. Yeah, I'm big on that too. Whoop. I'm on two on the lens, I be forcing. I'm like my bitches exotic. My hands off the wheel when I'm walking. James told me get the cash. I'm married to denims, don't ask what it costs. We can't speak to the course if you SRK. Let's talk about it if you feel away. Nigga, everything cake. I'm 24. Don't call me bluff. Keep down the door.
Welcome back to Members Only here at Gaming Content Channel. At iRasheza here. I'll just give you a quick overview. When I first got the pistol, I was putting on the MK1 Extended. I don't know exactly what level you lock that I can't see. Anytime I could add range to this pistol, I did. That was my only complaint in using it was I was having to 2 or 3 tap people on hardcore. Other than that, I mean, the pistol's awesome. It's quick trigger. There's no recoil on it. I'm money perk so I can unlock the akimbos, so I can follow up with a akimbo Renetti review video. Honestly, I'd give the pistol an 8 out of 10 already. I don't even need the burst mod. I have really no complaints with it. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Hit that bell. And hey!
Uber.
It's big on the 12 no BUA. But I shake the room. Swerve. Skirt. Shake the room. Go ahead, shake the room. But I shake the room. Wait. Swerve. Go ahead, shake the room. Go ahead, shake the room. But I shake the room.
How about I shake the room? Go sweep the room. Everybody running in, thinking I'm playing the room. Shoot one time, saying double time like you on shrooms. Shoot. On the other line, it's a fake time, saying nigga on the news. We about to shake in this bitch. Frosted flake on the wrist. This gang ain't playing this shit. In New York, I got her shaking this bitch. Shake. Shake it up. Peel back your toothpaste. Peel it back. Money move to conversate. Money. Put 'em up on the plate. Put 'em up. Baby shaking in the waves. She shake. Hit the flashlight to see her face.
Oh,
and she looking like
Jesus
a snack.
Christ.
Birkin bag on the way.
Swerve. Skirt.
Push on these fucks.
Go ahead, shake the room. But I shake the room. Swerve. Go ahead, shake the room. Go ahead, shake the room. But I shake the room. Baby, shake it. I have a break full amazing. Straight honey, no chaser. Niggas be talking hot till they get burned. I don't fuck with niggas cause these niggas be shern. Little niggas stay in the place, keep the turn. Respect ain't given, nigga it's earned. In the Bugatti 5719 with gas, flag in the air. Ref. Ain't a lot Ferrari can't rent this. With a brown little thing, Reese's. Steven Victor in the pista. Dior got no creases. Or gallery. 6.1 for the painting. George Condo. Cost more than your condo. Wait. But I shake the room. Swerve. Skirt. Shake the room. Shake the room. But I shake the room. Swerve. Shake the room. But I shake the room.
I'ma take
childish like that motherfucking Glover, nigga. I'm on drip, you gon' drown like I'm gunning, nigga. You a lame, you a square, we make fun of niggas. That's your bitch, like that, you running, nigga. I'm in the place to take me, it's a ton of niggas. But we gon' run up, it ain't one of you niggas. And it's chop when you jam, when you jumping, nigga. Take me and Frank, 50 band, 100 band, if it ain't about the money, I ain't coming through, nigga.
What is everything?
I'ma take Ben Frank on a honeymoon. 50 band, 100 band when I'm done with through. If it ain't about no money, I ain't coming through.
When you come to the floor, see, better have your gun. What's the key to the block? Better have your gun. Disrespect the gang. Better have your gun. Or you dropping the wall. Better have your gun. Talk down on my name. Better have your gun. Or you reach me. Better have your gun. If you step on my DOs, better have your gun. Or you laugh at my pain. Better have your gun. Look, you shot in the air cause you scared of me. Tupac, I ain't mad at you. Shot a nigga, he was laughing. Like the same nigga crying after her. Put a pussy on the platter, her. Shot your mans and now they adding up. Your man's down and now you mad as fuck. I fucked your bitch and then I'm blasting her. What the fuck is you telling me? I get the pedigree in the hood, I'm fighting felony. It's a whole bunch of jealousy in the air. What the fuck are niggas telling me? Shoot a nigga, go to jail for it. Cause I know I got the bail for it. For my gun, I'll die for it. Get on the stand and lie for it. Half rapper, half drug dealer. Got a burner from Chris. Both of them coming to the hood. Niggas can't get into this. Late nights in Puerto Rico. Breaking down half a kilo. She tryna hold with the people. Having an orgy with 3 hoes. When you come to the floor, see, better have your gun. What's the key to the block? Better have your gun. Disrespect the gang. Better have your gun. Or you dropping the wall. Better have your gun. Talk down on my name. Better have your gun. Or you reach for the check. Better have your gun. If you step on my DOs, better have your gun. Or you laugh at my pain. Better have your gun. Look, niggas talking about a run. I'm talking about guns and crime. I'm fucking with you and yours. If you think that you fucking with mine, I'm a diamond in the rough. All I wanna do is shine. Late nights up in the night. Just know I keep an eye. I ain't with the bitch and the snitching. I ain't with the politicking. Rather sit up in the jail or swim with the fishes. You ain't gon' never catch me slipping. Off the throne I be sipping. Stove hot I be whipping. Lot of heat up in the kitchen. In the hills up in Cali. Pink run smoking mad weed. Fucking on a little mama. Light skin with a tattoo. I ain't a gangster if you ask me. But little nigga don't put it past me. I put your body on standby while I blow it up like Max B. When you come to the floor, see, better have your gun. What's the key to the block? Better have your gun. Disrespect the gang. Better have your gun. Or you dropping the wall. Better have your gun. Talk down on my name. Better have your gun. Or you reach for the check. Better have your gun. If you step on my DOs, better have your gun. Or you laugh at my pain. Better have your gun. 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 Better have your gun.
Yo, sweet.
Better have your gun. Better have your gun. Better have your gun.
Yo, who? Bitch, ayy, sauce. Flesh, sweat, in the flesh. Hey, how was you feeling, bro? Feeling like the 4, I feel fantastic. Which one would you be, though? Mr. Fantastic, cause the money like elastic. Burberry, trench coat, you smoke oregano, I'm smoking on Nick Catches. I'ma be real, you know, when I win my dick out, she said too big, got that matches. How was you feeling, bro? Feeling like the 4, I feel fantastic. Which one would you be, though? Mr. Fantastic, cause the money like elastic. Burberry, trench coat, you smoke oregano, I'm smoking on Nick Catches. I'ma be real, you know, when I win my dick out, she said too big, got a map. Hey, water that pussy like Baptist. To find my sauce, need an atlas. Her pussy hungry and starving, so my dick ain't what I use is a damn cat. Rap game on faster than vessel, be real, all these niggas, I might overlap them. Never mind, I done might cap them. Just like a taser, rise up them. Shock. I fuck a bitch in the dark. My diamond shining in the dark. We did that smell like a fart. I'ma go just like a cart. You police, don't call you Paul. Blart. Try, but you never get fucked my dot. Or merely rock on my block. Okay, Post Malone with that pistol. I know that you hard as tissue. See you giggle like sing. Yo, bitch seeking me like no. You know I done tell no riddle. Put around right like a rat. Okay, like how was you feeling, bro? Step in. Feeling like the 4 right, feel fantastic. Which one would you be though? Which one? Mr. Fantastic, cause the money like a last. From every church, but though you smoke oregano, I'm smoking on the campus. I'm a reaper, you know, when I whip my dick out, she said too big, gotta map this. Map. It is like I have eyebrow cash. I'm in the field like baseball bat, and I'm fresh off a leg like a old tic tac. You don't fuck up like you take a step back, cool cat like a stray in the freezer in the back, like a Jay-Z. No Rockefeller on the back, but it's about to stand money. Okay, like lisp. It's how I speak as I sip. Lean like what's done in your bitch. In your mouth, I fade a fist.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, hit that bell. And hey.
You're up, soldier.
Was my soda empty already?
Oh yeah, dude, you don't even know, dude. Don't even.
Breaking my heart is so easy. Launch your assault now.